Struggling with ice addiction? You're not alone. Ice addiction, also known as crystal meth addiction, is a major issue. Dr. Abdul Halim, a leading psychiatrist in Pakistan, breaks it down for us. First, ice is a powerful stimulant that impacts the central nervous system. It releases a flood of dopamine, making you feel extremely euphoric. But this high comes at a huge cost. With repeated use, the brain struggles to produce dopamine naturally. This leads to severe cravings and dependency. Over time, ice can damage brain cells, affect memory, and alter emotional responses. Dr. Abdul Halim emphasizes the importance of understanding these effects. Awareness is the first step to recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling, reach out. For an appointment with Dr. Abdul Halim, call 0302 278 8999.